Alex Hormozi saved his company from bankruptcy during COVID using cold email. And that exact strategy has helped him since generate millions of dollars. Over the past week, I've broken down Hormozi's exact email system, and I'm going to walk you through every single step. But here's the twist, we're building the entire thing inside Google Sheets using GPT Workspace. So you don't need any fancy software or a sales team, you just need ChatGPT, Google Sheets, and a good offer. Alright, Hormozi's first rule is don't send email to randoms. It's not spray and pray, it's snipe and convert. So you start with a solid lead list, pull it from softwares like Instantly, Sales Navigator, or even manual scraping, whatever works. Just make sure you're targeting the right people. So this is the type of stuff I have. I have their name, email, company, industry, job title, location, recent activity. And that recent activity part, that's your secret personalized weapon. So here's where it gets wild. You don't need to write the email. You just have to type this into your sheet. Okay, so this is what you need to type into your sheet. Basically, just this formula that says write a cold email to a job title at company, mentioning their recent activity to personalize, then ask if they struggle with getting subscribers and offer social media management as the solution. Keep the tone casual yet professional. Now, this formula is what allows GPT Workspace, once you install the free Google extension, allows you to create this cold email. And it's bloody amazing because it just takes the information that it provides and then writes the email for the whole using all the data. Now, if you want to use it for the rest, you just got to drag and drop. And now this will create the same email for all of them. So it's just loading. But yeah, look, now you can see it starting to create emails for some of them. And once it fully loads, you'll get emails written for all your data and spreadsheets. That way you can send emails to thousands of leads at once. And this is why GPT Workspace is such a cheat code. It plugs into Sheets like a formula and does all the heavy lifting for you. Okay, so Hormozi doesn't ask for 15 minutes of your time. He leads with insane value. Here's the kind of line he'd use, and you can also generate this too. So first, all you got to do is, again, start GPT Workspace. And once you've started it, this will pop up. You can just close this. You can put in this prompt. So write a 2-line cold email pitch offering lead gen for industry with a guarantee of 5 new clients per week. Mention a free guide and a casual ETA. And paste that prompt in. And now it sent Sarah an email, which is, hi Sarah, I can help Flow Plumbing generate 5 new clients each week with targeted lead generation strategies. Let me send you a free guide that shows you how we can grow your business. Let's chat. Generate messages for all of them. So that was the first email. However, follow-ups are also really important. So let's say Hormozi's emails don't stop at once. Most of the conversions happen in the follow-up. So you can auto write these too. So let's put in a prompt here. Just change this from A2 to G2. Oh, sorry, not A to E2. And the email goes, write a polite follow-up for first name, reminding them about an offer to generate leads. Keep it short, full, helpful, and mention the free resource again. And we just send that through. And now GPT Workspace is going to cook up, and you can just drag and drop those below. And it's absolutely amazing. So then you can just copy paste this into Gmail or your outreach tool. And you can even set rules like send this 3 days after no reply or stop if they don't respond. If you want to steal Alex Hormozi's $100 million cold email system, then rebuild it with AI for free. Install GPT Workspace. It's a Chrome extension that plugs straight into Google Sheets and lets you do everything I just showed you. Now drop a comment and I'll reply with a formula that fits your niche. If you want more AI and Hormozi style marketing playbooks, make sure you hit subscribe.